Live Blitz game number 5. Let's do this. Just won a Dutch defense game, really strong. And then I play the bird opening too, so almost the Dutch defense with another tempo, even though the variations are completely different. Um, because I play Dutch defense classical as black, and as white I do the Leningrad Dutch because you get a really strong position. He's just pushing pawns right now. He doesn't even know what to do. Okay. C3 waiting move. C3 is actually better than castling first. C3, that would have been a little bit better. It's okay. It's immaterial in this game. He's so closed down that I can slowly prep the E4 break. It's defended and prepped. I could have done slower, but it's good now. You get this pawn phalanx on F4 and E4. He didn't even take, so now his knight is going to get bossed around big time. He doesn't have any pressure in the center either. So I'll play D4, showing that up. Now, you see, F6. If he breaks F6, I can get pressure on the semi-open file and hold down the E5 square. His knight looks like a loser right now, so I have pressure on that. A few ways to keep pressure on it. He's tempted to get that square on F5, so I'll take that from him. Okay, let me see. C6. So if I want to get pressure over there, then this knight move looks like it's the best. I can go to B3 and then C5 after, and he's maneuvering as well. He's going for this square, which I'm going to have to protect. Good player. He can't go into this square, is overprotected. He takes. Now I'm going here. So I still have pressure on his backwards pawn. All my pawns are defended. Okay. I'm going to defend it again. Because he attacked my pawn again. I'm going to defend it. Now he can come into that square if he wants to. But I'm going to eventually be able to get enough pressure on it that it won't matter. I can actually almost return back to the D2 square. Maybe developing my bishop first would have been best, but I don't know because it would block the file. So I really just danced around with him, and he wasted time doing that too. And that was actually just a misplay on my part because he could have taken on F4 with his rook and really gotten away with it. Big lead. Queen check. So I'll defend it here, and his queen's gonna get attacked again. So this is just honestly like really, really good for me. His queen is gonna get kicked out of my house or traded with my queen. He's kicked out of my house. Yeah. This bishop move is good. Maintains the defense, and he can't come onto the second rank. I'm gonna start attacking him too, because he can't really defend as well against a dark square attack. because my bishop's dark square and he's a light square bishop. So as the position regenerates itself, I might have a very strong attack against him. And we'll see. I don't want the rook coming down here. And keep my center strong. But also he's attacking me. And see, now I'm a victim of that because my bishop can't defend him fully where he's attacking. But my queen sure can, and then I'm counterattacking on the g7 square, which is good. For Gurmade, okay? I don't know what that means. I'm just Joe B888. Facebook made that. Take the pawn in the center. I can now move my bishop to the long diagonal if I want to. I actually just have to get on a file. Maybe someday, after the position regenerates itself, via the dance and flow of the game, I'll be able to actually put my bishop on d4 and get the long diagonal. So now, to get more of a handle on this game, he's coming back just like he did before to the first rank, which I suspected that he was going to do. And now there's a few threats. Threat here, threat there. There's a couple of tactics that I can do, like sacrifice exchange. Then after he takes, put my rook down on the 7th rank. And then if he comes back to defend, I can exchange. It's not that good. Not really that good, no. I can evict the queen. I'll just evict the queen. And let's just say, well, if you go back to your other square, you lost the tempo. Go back to h4, lost the tempo. Haha, you know? Alright. Attack some pawns. And then maybe get back to some core values like the long diagonal. Can't win all of his pawns yet because he has so much pressure on this. I can come to rook f6. Yeah. It's actually a strong move right there. Win the bishop. Alright, this shouldn't be hard, guys. As much trouble as I have sometimes of converting these advantages in these blitz games, since I know the opening so well, he's really facing some hard times. Yeah, now you come with a check. My queen isn't tied down to the defense anymore from the mate threats on h3. Here I come, motherfucker. Good game.